This is Thor and this video is about the top BitTorrent clients that are available to Linux. So let's get into the business now. Okay, jokes aside, so this video I'm going to show you what are the best BitTorrent clients that are available to Linux and why you should use only these clients that are available. So let's start with the first one and the one that I really love to use, and it's Deluge. So Deluge is very minimalistic torrent client. It's open source. It does not contain any advertisement that you find on uTorrent or BitTorrent clients that are available to Windows and Mac. So you will not find any kind of advertisement here. The look is very easy to understand. Here you can simply add any torrent file or magnet URL. You can also drag and drop, or you can simply open the torrent file to the application and it will start to download it. Like here it is showing me this window here. I can hit add and it will simply start to download the file. You can see, and it also shows you some details here, like the files that are available, some peer details, and the basic typical stuff about a torrent client. So you are getting the Deluge here. The another one that I want to share with you guys is Transmission, and Transmission is very minimalistic. I mean, this is the most minimalistic torrent client you will ever find anywhere, especially when it comes to Linux. So this is the client that is available, and it comes by default in many distributions like Ubuntu ships with Transmission and other distributions as well. And the things are very similar. You can easily add any torrent or magnet file here and it will start to download that file into the system. So this is here and it's very minimal. So far we covered two torrent clients. One is Deluge and another one is Transmission. The next in the list is this one. This is QBitTorrent and it is similar to the Deluge. It has this interface that you see. So it has all the things that it offers onto the display, and it also comes with the settings here. So you get these settings to tweak from, and the Deluge also has one feature, and I think that feature is missing here, and the feature is that Deluge also support the plugins. And so if you go to the preferences, you will find this option here, plugins, and it supports these plugins basically, so you can use these plugins as well. And apart from that feature, all the things are very similar to the other client that I've just showed you. So Deluge, Transmission, and QBitTorrent, these are available to Linux, and you can directly install these clients from the official repository. So you do not have to worry about going to any website and downloading the package file then installing it, because they are available to the official repository. You just have to use the installation command. This is Ubuntu, so you can use advanced package management tool, that is APT, and if you're using any other distribution, then use the package manager for that distribution and install these tools. I will also provide a link in the description, and it will be an article on the linuxhistory.com, and from there you can get the installation command for different distributions and how to install any of these torrent client in your distribution. So do not worry about that. The installation guide will be there in the description. So apart from these typical clients, there is one client that is getting popular online, and this is Frostwire, and this gives me the feel of a BitTorrent client that is available to Windows, because it's kind of bulky and it's not that minimalistic in the sense. As you can see, this is the tool, and you can go to the official website of this tool and download it from there, and it's also a cross platform just like the other torrent clients. So you can install the torrent client on different distribution or the operating system that are available. And the plus point here is that it's also available for mobile. I mean, you can install it on Android as well. There are some more torrent clients, like there's Waze, but Waze has a subscription fee, so you have to get that, or you will see some kind of advertisement in the application. There is also a Tikshati, I think. Tikshati, I don't know what is the correct pronunciation, but that tool is very old in the sense the user interface is kind of retro, but that is also available. And the another one that I want to show you, and this is the last one, and this is BabTorrent. So BabTorrent has a unique feature that it can directly play videos from the torrent. So you can use this torrent client for P2P media playback as well. So you can download this. It's I think Electron application, so it's available for all the operating systems. So you can download it, install it in your system. So you have to download the package file .rpm or .dev file. So I'm just going to show you how it looks like. So let me just show you. So this is how it looks like. You can easily browse any torrent file or magnet URL, and so this is the video I have just added the video here. I can simply click on the play button and it will simply start to play the video file directly, even though the video has not downloaded completely, but it is playing it, and I can use it like YouTube. Literally I can use it like YouTube to play videos from P2P network. So this is a very cool feature, and for some videos the BabTorrent is not able to play them, and for that it uses VLC. So that feature is also available in this torrent client. So you can use it not for playing the videos, but you can also use it as a regular torrent client. So these are the torrent clients that I wanted to show, and you can use any of these, and these are the best in their field, and all of these clients are freely available, and most of them are open source, so you do not have to worry about any subscription or premium fee that you have to pay. The installation guide of course will be available in the description article, so from there you can install these clients into your system and start using them. So I think that's the end of the video. I hope you find this video helpful about the best torrent clients that are available on Linux. And till then, take care and keep enjoying Linux, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you find it kind of helpful, and let me know what you think about it in the description below. Till then, take care, keep enjoying Linux. Bye bye.